to do a review on this glider bench. It looks nice and compact. Now we'll put it together. We'll unbundle it. These are tight. Here are all of the pieces out of the box and the hardware. Connect the back to the seat, a bolt, and we'll spin the nut on. Add in the bolts, put the armrests on, put the bolts in, and the top of the arm, and the same thing to the other arm. The kit does not come with tools, so we're using an 11mm and a 13mm to tighten these up. Put the base together, set everything in place nice and square, drop the screw in. Put the other rail into place, and a screw into each end. We're going to put the glider arms on now. Slide a bolt into the base and be sure and use a washer on both sides of the wood. With two 15mm wrenches, tighten these up. And we need to attach the bench to the glider and snug them up. Looks like it's time to test it out. This is very comfortable. It feels sturdy, but it's also very comfortable.